Is Amazon FBA online arbitrage in danger? We've seen a lot of stuff happening in the past few weeks, such as popular brands actually closing for resellers on Amazon, and stuff like gift cards, because gift cards is one of the big ways that you actually make product profitable on Amazon, decreasing the amount of cashback that they give, like the discount that they actually have on top cashback. So, for example, back in the days, you could, before the new year, you were able to get Kohl's gift card for 7.5% off, and now they're at 6% off. So the discount is way lower than it used to be. Is online arbitrage trending towards its downfall? This is what we are going to talk about in today's video. Before we actually do, if you have some issues sourcing online arbitrage product, I have a free ebook in the description that you can use to actually learn how to source. This is exactly what I do all the time when I actually source. I do it less right now because I do not source that often, but when I source, this is the exact process that I use. This is what's going to help you actually be consistent by finding leads daily. And so get the ebook, it's 100% free. You're going to find another link if you want my direct help to actually scale your Amazon business. You can book coaching with me. I have multiple options available for you. They are all explained in the link below for my coaching. So check it out. I have a video on that page that you're going to land on that is going to tell you everything that you need to know about my coaching and the different options. So as I was saying, it looks like online arbitrage is changing a lot right now. And a lot of people may be worried about the livelihood of running an online arbitrage business for the next few years, because it may disappear because a lot of the things are changing. As I said, we have a lot of brands like Clinique, for example. Clinique is a brand that I made a ton of money on last year. Not that much this year, but like last Q4, I made a ton of money with Clinique. And they're actually closing for resellers. You cannot, like, they are re-getting the brand and you cannot request approval. That's one thing. Another thing is, gift cards being way lower. And this is a problem. So you used to buy, even for Macy's, for Kohl's, the gift cards, like the discount that you had on gift cards on Amazon, or on top cashback, I'm sorry, is actually decreasing. And top cashback is one of the places where I actually bought most of my gift card. So I wanted to share with you guys what I think about it, because a lot of guys that may have noticed these things may be a little bit alarmed, especially if they are a little bit new to the space. So to make it short, you should not be afraid of change. Things are going to change, and this is going to happen. It doesn't matter which business you are in today. Things are constantly going to change, okay? For example, just if we talk about retail arbitrage, Walmart used to be a super good place to actually do retail arbitrage, but things change. You cannot do the same thing. You cannot expect to do the same thing profitably for 15 years, okay? Things are going to change and you need to adapt. If you do not adapt, you are going to be stuck in the past, like the guys that are on the Amazon seller forum and keep talking about, it's not possible to make money with online arbitrage, with Amazon FBA on Amazon in general. It's impossible to actually run a business, all that stuff, and they are salty and they did not adapt. They've been selling books for 20 years the same way, and ever since Amazon actually started, and they're actually pissed off. No, they actually moved to another platform, and we are going to go on that platform to actually make fun of them because they are a bunch of weirdos. Yeah, you don't want to be those guys. So you need to remember that things are constantly going to change, okay? Top Cashback was a great place to actually buy gift cards. It is still a great place to buy gift cards, but it may not be the best place to buy gift cards forever. Maybe one day they will actually stop, and your business is constantly going to change, and it does not matter. It's not exclusive to online arbitrage, Amazon FBA, all that stuff. Everything changed, okay? Consumer demands change. The way you actually can run a business profitably will always change. It's true for every single business model. Things are going to change. You need to adapt, okay? You need to find new loops. Same thing. You've been selling the same products over and over again. You need to develop new ways to find products, new strategies, discover new brands, all that stuff, because one day these products will not be profitable anymore. And it is not, once again, exclusive to arbitrage, okay? It's going to be the same if you do private labeling. As a market grows, markets become more and more competitive, and it's harder to make money in those markets, okay? Because people are going to copy your products, are going to sell your products, and it's going to be the exact same thing. So you are not shielded against change with your by changing by changing profit. I'm sorry, by changing your business model. Okay, you really need to be aware that things are going to change. Brands are going to get to get close to you're not going to be able to resell some brands that you are selling today. It's fine. There's for every single brand that get closed, there's another brand that is opening up. There's 10 other brands opening up, 10 other new brands. There's tens of other opportunities that you can actually look at. Okay, you need to embrace change and actually find ways to actually fill customer demands with your business. Okay, it is not going to be the end of your business. If you do not adapt, yes, it is going to be the end of your business, but you need to constantly adapt. You are never going to be able to do the exact same thing for 10 years and make a profit, okay? Because the competitive marketplace is going to change. There's going to be more competition all the time. So you need to keep an edge on your competition, okay? And one way to actually keep an edge on your competition is to actually stay informed. Best way to do it, subscribe to this channel because I'm always sharing new strategies, and join the Discord server to actually network and meet new people and share your experience with them. They will share your experience with you. So stay connected to the community. This is a great way to actually avoid stuff such as these problems like these, because it's going to change all the time. You need to adapt to change to remain competitive, and Amazon will always be profitable one way or another, except they actually close. Because if they start not being profitable, Amazon will close, and so at that time it will be time to actually change to another business model. But you should really think of this. Whatever you do, you are never going to be able to do the exact same thing year over year and expect the same result. Because if you do the exact same thing over and over again, people are going to catch up eventually. And so this is when stuff actually starts to get less profitable and tends to go towards break-even. And this is going to happen with every single thing. This is why companies such as Coca-Cola, which are leaders in their market, are still doing marketing year after year and spending billions of dollars in marketing, okay? Because you need to adapt. They are still developing new product lines, okay? New Cokes, new Fanta, new drinks, new products, all that stuff. Tweaking their logos, tweaking their branding, all that stuff. Because if Coke was selling the same Coke that they did back in the 60s, back in the 50s, I do not even know when they started. But if they did not change anything, if they did not adapt to the market, if they did not adapt to the current time, they would have run out of business, okay? And so you need to constantly adapt. You are not shielded. You are not immune to change. You need to change. You need to adapt. You do not need to change. You need to adapt to change, okay? If you want to stay profitable, it's going to be true with every single business model. Do not be scared about the people crying for screaming that it's going to be the end of the world. It's never going to be. You just need to adapt, okay? You just need to adapt to new condition, and your business will survive. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Do not be scared by all those things. You're gonna be fine, okay? You just need to adapt, stay connected. Watch these videos if you want to keep learning. Subscribe if you want to stay connected and make sure that you are on top of every single change with Amazon. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release a new video about selling on Amazon every single day. Thanks for watching.